So we're over here at the Smoke on the Water over here in Winter Haven, and we got some pig dollars. It's really cool. Big bucks.
They're $1 for dollar.
They're $1 for dollar. They look really cool.
10 is each bundle.
Yeah. So it's really cool. So we're sponsoring, well, it's sponsored by the Boys and Girls Club of Winter Haven, and we're just like really excited.
What if we don't use them all?
Do we just give them away or something? We don't use them all. Amber, are you really excited to get some BBQ?
There's smoke everywhere.
Oh.
I was not expecting this many people.
I know.
Or this many vendors.
There's a lot of people.
They have shirts. Look at the shirts.
They do have shirts and stuff as well. Ready? Can we get your eat on?
You want to see the shirts?
Yeah. So this is it's like last year's shirt. It's really cool. The same shirt they have over there, but it says 2023 on it. It's really neat. Let's go get our eat on. We came here for barbecue. Check it out. Farm raised gator on a stick. Look good. Gator tastes pretty good. No. Because my wife won't partake with me.
Oh, because you had it at Mardi Gras.
I did. It was really good. It was tasty. Would you eat some?
No. You said it was chewy.
No, I did. I said it tastes like chicken.
But you said it was chewy. Okay, so after what, 10 minutes we waited, maybe longer, Brian finally got his plate. It was $17 or $18 with 2 sides. You ready? Is it award-winning? Good.
It's not bad. It's actually pretty juicy. You want to see that you good smoke right now?
Hold on, it's blurry.
But in here you do. So, I mean, it's not horrible. So after about 40 minutes of waiting, Amber finally got her food. She has cheese fries, and she has a pulled chicken sandwich. That looks like Carolina sauce. But,
It's Carolina sauce. Mustard. That's what it is. Good.
so yeah, she says the Carolina sauce is pretty good. You happy now? You got food? So this is Swamp Boys. I guess they were on Pitmaster. I didn't know that. Did you?
No, until I saw the banner.
I know. It was like as seen on Pitmaster.
Weird.
I know. I had to look back.
We haven't watched it in a while
I
though.
know. I'm thinking about maybe getting some of their ribs to see if it's any good.
Sweet tea and cold drinks. Oh, Georgia State champion.
Yeah. Wow. So it's just about 1:30 right now. I know, it's just about 1:30, and the lines are out the butt. This line over here is for that Swamp Boy group. We're like, man, I don't want to stay in line, but it sounds good. But we'll just continue to look for our food. Amber wants some more barbecue.
What did you get? You got the rainbow, which is pineapple,
blueberry,
and cherry.
Yeah. I thought it was over there, dude.
Does this remind you of Hawaii?
No, this is a hell of a lot better.
What? Even the Mickey ones at Alani?
No. Okay. Just kidding.
You're getting so close. Oh.
You tried some, how is it?
I don't like it.
What?
It's too strong.
You didn't try good.
Let's see what else there is.
Amber! What'd you get? Strawberry shortcake. Looks pretty good. Is it vanilla bean or just regular vanilla? Huh. It's with Breyer's ice cream. You're not a big fan of Breyer's ice cream. Are you gonna be okay? Is it good? Is it strawberry throughout? Just kidding. I'm cutting that up. It is with real strawberries though. Oh, looks cool. Ooh, What I noticed here is a lot of these barbecue places, like this one here, doesn't have a place where you can buy their barbecue. So they are here to compete in the championship, Smoke on the Water.
So it's not as many as it looks like.
Yeah, so there are only a few that have stands and all that kind of stuff, but it's really cool. I wish, and the ones that are here serving the food, they even have where they have some just for the championship and then one for us common people. Maybe it's the same, who knows?
With that people?
Yeah. Well, so we forgot to say hi.
Hello and goodbye.
It was our first time coming to an event like this, like a big old barbecue fest.
Yeah.
Wasn't what I expected.
No, I thought there was gonna be a lot more, but like we said in the video, some were only there to compete, and then some were actually selling their food. Prices were kind of expensive, I would say. Right. Probably $15 to $20 per plate.
It was.
How much was my chicken sandwich?
So your chicken sandwich and your cheese fries was $10. My brisket platter and drink was $20, so $30 there. And then we bought the
Well, we kind of had to use the rest of our money because they do not buy it back. So you have to find somebody that's going to purchase more piggy bucks.
Yeah. Pork butts or pork, yeah, whatever.
So that's the part that sucks.
Yeah.
Parking you don't have to pay. You can donate if you'd like to the Boys and Girls Club. There
were some that you had to pay.
Yeah, like up ahead was like $10.
Yeah. But
so the weekend's over with it, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So if you guys made it, awesome. If you didn't, look for next year, or they might have some later on in the year too.
I think so. What we suggest, because we learned from us, do a walkthrough, find out what you want, maybe you want to try or whatever, kind of have a total in your head, and then go by your
don't
dollars.
Walk in hungry like we did.
No, because I'm like, oh, $60, and then like we started looking around, and then the lines got really bad.
So we got $60 in the piggy bucks, and we had 9 left. Yeah, that was for 2 meals, Kona ice, strawberry shortcakes, and drinks.
Yeah. So it goes pretty quick, but we just didn't want to stand in line anymore. We were just kind of like...
And we were there for almost 3 hours.
4, yeah.
Yeah.
So, highly recommend it though. It was a lot of fun.
It was definitely fun. It was something new to try, something to do. Be out in the Florida weather.
Sun, heat.
Yeah.
It was, the wind's beautiful. It's warm.
It got warm quick, but it's Florida.
Yeah. What do you expect? It was funny because people were like, it's hot then it's cold. It's hot then it's cold. It's funny.
That's January, February in Florida.
Yeah. But if you made it this far, guys, don't forget to look up here for subscribe in the next video.
Yes, please subscribe, share with your family and friends.
Yeah. And thanks for checking us out, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching it.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.